Hello everybody. Let's go now for the wrap up of the brain teaser, and I would like to do that using this format of short videos to explain the key points. Okay. So first of all, thank you very much for your active participation during the brain teaser. I guess that Punit came with the answer for the brain teaser with the definition of the viral coefficient. That is exactly what I had in this slide. So basically there is a combination of two factors. The probability that when someone receives this video decides to pass it along to other friends times the average number of people that they share the content with. Okay, so that gives us the viral coefficient, and if this coefficient is greater than 1, and this is just simple maths, then the campaign will go viral. And in this case it goes viral because it's 1.2, as you very well said, and that's the reason why. So what is the point of the brain teaser? The point is, as Marin, you said also in the beginning, there are two important factors here. The quality of the content, and the quality of the content determines this metric that we said, the probability of passing, of sharing with friends. Okay, so this is all about the how interesting, how appealing, how emotional the content is. And the second big factor is to identify the opinion leaders, those people that are highly connected, and if they decide to talk about your content, they will share it with not with 30 but with 30,000 people. No, so these two factors are very important when running a viral campaign: to design a content that is really appealing, and to start engaging the opinion leaders that are relevant in your industry. Now, for clarification, and then Rachel, you did a very good exercise with the Excel file, going step by step. If I start with 100 people, then I will have 120, 144 in the third step, and so on. So you see that it grows exponentially. Now, just for clarification, Nival, I guess that you said, and also Omar, I guess in the beginning, is the initial base of people that you start with does not determine whether it's going to be viral or not. It determines how quickly it will go viral if the viral coefficient is greater than 1. Okay, so the amount of people that we start with is not determined, so it's not critical, I would say. So what is critical is that the content is engaging, so that on average, when someone receives that, pass it along, and also engaging the opinion leaders. And by the way, I don't remember who was saying that this is not like a predictive formula. This is just an example, a theoretical example, that is already happening, and this is the averages in terms of passing along and sharing with people. So this is not like, oh, if I apply this formula, my campaign will go viral for sure. No, it's not the case. It's just a simple exercise to emphasize this point, okay? That these are the two key elements that are important for a campaign to get viral: the content and the engagement of the opinion leaders. Okay, so let's continue with our discussion, and I will be closing each thread with a short video format. Let's see how it works. Let's go for it.